Hey guys, today we want to show you how we did the renovation of the stairs. It's really easy, it just takes a little bit of time, but the main thing here was that our house is pretty small and we want to create this big open concept. So the first thing that we did was taking out the drywall that is located in between the two stairs. Later we just cut all the wood that we didn't like and move to the stair railing and remove all the balusters. Now we just remove the little balls that are on the new wall to make it more square because it's more modern. And as soon as we finish, we start painting. We choose black instead of white because it has more contrast. When we were done painting, we moved to the sewing of the stairs. What we used here was leather rope. And that was it. It was really easy. If you guys want to see more videos of how we did the full renovation of our house, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you for watching, guys.